Greetings everyone. I am Myra, a student of grade 2, Manav Rachna International School, Sector 21C, Faridabad. Have you ever wondered how the meteorologists accurately measure wind speed? In Karshala, we learn about wind, which moves things like clouds and kites. Would you like to explore more about how anemometers work or how wind energy is harnessed? When the wind blows, it spins the cups on the anemometer. By counting the spins, we can measure the speed of the wind. Wind origin powers turbines, turning wind energy into electricity. This clean energy is good for the environment. Measuring wind speed helps predict the weather, design strong buildings, and plan safe flights. This project we have known as 𝐔𝐺7 Affordable and Clean Energy and 𝐔𝐺13 Climate Action.